guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking to my phone. Why dad always do this, y'all? He be stopping my shine. But yeah, let me just talk like this because it is a lot of people on. Okay, so I'm starting a video today on as in me moving in through the process. Man, them buggies ain't hot. They want to say hey to my vlog. Dad, we gotta capture moments. Yeah, this is my twin. And this is my sister.
Walmart I've seen. I've never seen a green one.
But yeah, we finna do some grocery shopping for my dorm or whatever. And I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Okay, the update, y'all. So we're doing some progress. This is all my stuff. It looked like it's probably small, but it's a lot of stuff in here. So yeah, I'm just updating y'all. How long we been in Walmart right now? Probably about 30 minutes.
She's a hater.
Say hello to my phone, Kaya. This is my little sis. We look alike? No. Move your face. I mean your hand. Yeah. We try here thugging in this Walmart. But yeah, I'm gonna update y'all when we get ready to leave. So hey y'all. Lighting is weird. But it's early in the morning. Sorry y'all, the lighting. It's like 7:30 I think. And got everything packed. Well, I got some of the stuff and stuff in my truck, but my dad got all his stuff in his truck. So we're taking my car and his car because I can't have my car on campus. So yeah, finna head out in a little bit. Of course, I don't vlog and drive. That's not me. So whenever I just make it to the school, then that's when I'll catch up with y'all. So yeah. My skin look pretty good. Yeah, it's so humid outside and I have oily skin. I really shouldn't have put my shea butter on my face because I'll be sweating. But yeah, I'll update y'all when I get to the school. Okay guys, I know I look sweaty and nasty, sorry, but we made it. I'm here. I just got my housing, so I'm gonna get ready to check in a little bit, but right now I'm finna do my parking permit. I'm talking low because it's too many people. I have my parking, gotta go do my parking permit and register my car. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So yeah, it's like 3 hours later. Hey. Yeah, we done finally moved in. I ain't gonna show the room yet because we still,
ain't been.
I don't even know what time it is right now.
Like 1, I think.
Whew, yeah, we've been working. I couldn't even put my phone out. Like my phone been, you know what? And then we on the 2nd floor, y'all. We gotta go upstairs.
Maybe them rooms is.
But me and the room really look cute though.
Yeah.
Once we put like our pictures and stuff up, it's gonna turn out cute.
We get everything out the way.
Yeah. But right now, it's looking a little crazy. So yeah, I'm just updating y'all. It's a long day. Y'all, we in Walmart trying to get a little extra stuff. Man. I'm tired. Look at my eyes. Yeah, we just getting a few more stuff. I'll update y'all when something that's happening because it's hectic and it's a lot of people here. So yeah. Okay, y'all. So update. We at the last little moments. You know, I'm on the door because it's after time and there's still a lot of parents here, but they don't lock the doors now. So it's like I left my key in the room, so I'm waiting on my dad to pull around so I can tell them bye because my sister in the truck. Y'all, please excuse me. I'm retwisting on the night. It's been a long day. It's like, I know it's after 4 for sure, so it's probably almost 5 now. And y'all, I'm so tired. I'm hungry. I'm just tired. My dad was in the room. We was doing the last bit of my stuff. I cried. Of course I cried. Oh, because I'm a daddy's girl, so I'm always with him, so it's just so weird to see him leaving me. Not like I'm in the same city. Of course I would have cried because I could always go home, but like this, I couldn't really go home like that because I'm like an hour and 45 minutes away. You know, I could still drive, but at the same time, I just can't like up and go like I could if I was in my city. Yeah, my sister act like she don't love me, cuz.
Man, I'm ready to go. It's hot.
Okay.
See you later.
I don't want to hear that you start crying. You see what she just said, Dad? Trust me, I ain't finna cry anytime soon. Come on, Dad. Come on, get in the camera, Kaya.
Come on, man. I'm already
We
sweating.
sweating. It's never goodbye. See you later.
All right. It's
You better
always-
be careful. Quit don't act stupid.
Here she go. It's real now. See, we locking our door. We ain't gonna show you our room number, little stalkers. Me and Haley late.
Right. We needed a break. We was
Man,
tired.
tired. Doing all that stuff. And for hours, we was at it non-stop. Then went to the store right after.
To get some more stuff.
Exactly. And had to put all that stuff together.
So now, we out.
Yeah, we finna go to the little cookout or whatever. I hope it's still going on because I'ma feel played. If that bitch start dying down, we done got there.
This lady said, I'm gonna meet them at their room.
Okay. So yeah, y'all. I'ma update y'all later. Hey, vlog. Oh, hey, vlog.
It's moving day. We done moved in.
They back. The four is back from prep. We in this shit.
pillow.
This day room, y'all, though, y'all.
The yellow one.
Oh yeah, I got that too from
We're
Walmart.
not done, y'all.
We not done yet either though, but
Who
I ain't
we
done
over
either.
there?
Which one? We got a lot of sushi. We got raws.
Let's make it a date.
It's the vlog.
Can we go, y'all?
It's the vlog.
It's a vlog.
Go where?
My classes are in 3 buildings.
Some new
and
faces y'all
it's fun.
see. Y'all remember Sam, and then it's Ash,
My
then
name
it's Don,
Strauss.
Devon.
I'm
Oh wait, no, I'm
Red.
She blew it. But this is Don,
Wait,
Kim, Sam,
Kim Possible.
Ryan, Angie, T, DJ,
Hold on, Lane, the chicken. They only got 2 on.
Oh yeah, to go Lady, y'all. She's here.
Goddamn. I'm gonna roll stuff.
It should go on somebody else.
I'm in the background. Chewing.
Look, I was waiting on you to look.
Damn, I'm over there. Oh, no. Hello.
You gonna talk to them?
Yeah. Hey, y'all.
Hey, guys.
Popeye's chicken sandwiches.
Y'all liked it?
It was so good.
Y'all, I'm scared. Y'all remember I told you I had the stomach virus from Popeyes.
We ain't sick.
My sweet made Ray Rotel, y'all. And it's so good. What's all right? Y'all, I gotta eat something. I ain't ate all day. And we forgot to go to this party. I think that time right, so it's like 9:30. So eat this, get a shower. I'm waiting to find some water. You're not helping me, bitch.
To Brainerd Street. So he called his pussy tigger, fucking on his scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Turn right onto Brainerd Street.
Gotta say hey to the vlog. Oh, it's Stormy Drive. We just some niggas you ain't fucking with. Y'all, he got my friend Naya and Jordan. And y'all know the best Ryan. Why she gotta be the best?
That's my bestie. That's my bestie.
So we say best.